Hello, I welcome you again to this video. So today I'm going to teach you how to save your design as a template and also how to save it as PDF. To do that, go to this arrow facing up, then the options will come out. Then go to templates link. You have to copy the link of the template, you copy it, then you will come out again. You will go to the place that you have designed. You have designed something that people will click on for them to get to your design. So this is the one I have already designed before. So here I will highlight that here. Then I will go to more. When I go to more, I will go to link. That is, I want to put the link here. Then I will paste the link here. I will paste the link here. Immediately I paste the link, I will go back. It has automatically be placed. The template is now here. You see it's underlined. It's now underlined. So anytime you click on that place, it will take you directly to the design for you to work on. So that is how you'll be able to save as template. And when you save as template, you are not going to download it as PNG. If you download it as PNG, it will not come out. So it will now suggest for you to download it as PDF. So you are now going to save this our design, this particular one here. We are going to save it as PDF. So all you have to do is you go back to that arrow there. When you go back to the arrow, it will carry you to this interface again. Then you now go to download. When you go to download, it will also bring the options for you. So this PNG here, you have to change it. You click on the arrow facing down, you go to PDF standard. Go to PDF standard so that it's now going to save as PDF. Then go to the pages to select the page. It's not a page 2 that we are selecting, but page 3. Page 3 is the current page now. So that's the one we are downloading as PDF. So you click on it, you come back here and you download. So when you download, it will come out as PDF. So when it finishes downloading, you can save it depending on what you use to open your document. Me, I use WPS Office to open my document. So I'll go to save to WPS. I will save it there so that I will easily locate it next time. So when it come out, you can decide to change the name or just take note of the number. So I'll take note of the number, then I will upload. Now it has saved the design. So you can go to your WPS to test whether you have been able to place the templates correctly. So it's now opening. When it opens, you will have to locate the file. You go to download. When you go to download, you will see the file up there. You click on it and you will see it there. You will see that design there, and that design there is not just a picture, it's a PDF file. So you see the design is there. So all you have to do is to go to that here that is underlined. You click on it, it will direct you to the design. It will take you to Canva to show you to the design. So when you go there now, you have to do the correction that you want to correct. Maybe change color, change picture, change write-up and other things. So some people that are telling you that they are selling template, they are selling it. So this is how they sell the template. So they save it as template and send it to their client as PDF file, so that when they receive it, they can go click on the link and it will take them to this Canva. When you enter to the Canva to edit the design, you have to log in. If you have not been using Canva before, you have to log in with either your Google, Facebook, or other things. So that is how you'll be able to save your documents. So in case you don't have um, Canva before, it will open here for you to open the file and to access the document. Thank you.